etc. And here at the table I have now Giulietta Marani, and she is Program Director at DigiCampus.
Yes.
Hello, welcome. Thank you for being here. DigiCampus, could you explain a little bit what you're doing there?
Well, we're a knowledge and innovation hub, and we work on collaborative innovation for the digital public services, which mean that we bring together entrepreneurs, government, knowledge institute, students, but also society to design the future digital services.
Now, this year was, of course, a COVID year, a very sad year for a lot of persons, but for digital it was very flourishing because everybody somehow got the hint that digital is the future, right?
Yes. Yeah, it really helped. We saw that everything went on. We didn't have a lot of things that we had to stop. We see also that digital technology had an extreme boost because, teleworking, working together, brainstorming, especially in collaborative innovation, there are so many technologies that support that. So it really helped to gain momentum.
Yeah. Now, looking at all the developments, and I'm looking a little bit more worldwide, but we also saw that the digital way of things got some people left out. We were talking with Joelle already about inclusiveness, especially vulnerable groups, elderly people, women, children are at risk of being left out. Do you have any ideas on that, or how to solve that, or to cope with that?
Yeah, well, what we say, you really have to design from collective value and keep in mind all the groups that are the end users. We usually take, we think student, but there are a lot of different students, and really design for those vulnerable groups, and I think that if you do that, then it would also work for all the other groups. Yeah. So just keep the vulnerable groups in mind first, and then start
take them as a starting point. For example, the banking things on your phone for elderly people can be really hard. Yeah. But if you make them compatible for them, that
and it's also, I think, for a lot of people, it's also to adopt new technology is harder. And you have to invest in that. And I see the government take a lot of action right now in the Netherlands to invest, to help people understand what technology can bring, but also use it. And that's very important.
Because you at the DigiCampus, how are you looking at Europe? Do you have a lot of cooperation between countries in Europe, or is it more?
Well, right now we are working with different universities from other countries. We're also going to organize an international week where we're going to exchange how other countries work on collaborative innovations. So how do they bring together all these different stakeholders? I'm right now in the selection commission of the European Public Sector Award, and there I see what new ideas and innovative products Europe is going to bring. So I do hope I can highlight some in October.
Okay, well, thank you very much. For you also, as a last question, looking at today, looking at the future, what would you like to give to people as a takeaway from this day?
Well, I think it's very important to take a collective value as a starting point, build on a value case, and have this long-term vision but impact today, and work together on that, because that might bring some tension, but that is really the key. Society wants a solution for the problems now, but they also want it sustainable over the years.
Okay, clear. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.